Hello, just want to take a moment to show you how to use Google Doc to submit your cardiovascular assignment. So from the assignment instructions, make sure you read through it. You're going to run a minimum of 1 mile, track it on your cellular device through Nike Run Club. Make sure you take a screenshot of the completed run. If you're using Nike Run, share the route on your Nike feed, and then you'll submit the screenshot using this Google Doc. So click here. That's going to open up a new Google Doc for you, and it's titled Nike Run Club Screenshots. What you will do is you're not going to work straight on here. You're going to make a copy, click Make a Copy, and then you're going to go here and just rename it to your name. So I'm going to put Miss V. Miss V's Nike Run Club Screenshots. Hit OK. So then I have got my own copy of the Google Doc. And then all I'm going to do is for week number 2, I'm going to go ahead and upload my screenshot. So I've already done my run. I've emailed my photo to myself. What I like to do is I just save it on my desktop. So if I click Insert, Image, Upload from my computer, I can go to my desktop, and then I can look for my run and my photos right here. Click Open, and it automatically uploads. So I've got my week number 2 run uploaded here. All I got to do now is click Share, and then make sure when you send the link to me, make sure you have it so that anyone with the link can view it, just in case sometimes you guys have your preferences set to private. Make sure it's public, and then click Copy Link, Done. And then you'll hop back over to Canvas, and here are just all the running instructions. It's a video regarding Nike Run, and then what I normally will do if to submit it is, actually I'm going to put it in student view, is I will click Start Assignment, and then from here I just go to the website URL, paste it, and hit Submit. And my Google Docs will pop up automatically right there. And then if you maybe messed up, you can click New Attempt and put in the new link. And then all you're going to do every week is just keep adding on to your Google Docs. So everything is all going to be all in one place. So you'll have, week number 2 here, and then you'll just add on to week 3, 4, and 5, and so on. So that way when I check the link, everything's going to be, it's going to be the same submission like every time. Okay. If you have any questions about this assignment or how to do anything, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to Zoom with you guys. This is very similar to what you guys did if you took my class already in the fall or the spring this past school year. It's going to be very similar. However, all the submissions are just going to be on one page. So that way when I review everything, it's all going to be in one place. Okay. Like I said, any questions, please send me an email. Thank you. Bye.